Good morning, Foray. How are you? I hope you had an amazing weekend. I hope you had a chance to relax, unwind, and just generally take a break from the screens. And at the same time, I hope everyone's staying at home and safe. Right. This is the eighth week of remote learning. I hope you have a great start of the week. And this week we are having four different assessments. We are going to have two math assessments, one UAE Social Studies B for non-Arab students and a PSE exam for non-Muslim students. All right, so let me tell you about your day today. So you will start your day today with maths. In maths, guys, there is no video lesson. There's actually no need for a video lesson. It is a revision sheet that we put together. I uploaded the revision sheet as well on my learning. I will upload it on Dojo as well. However, the goal here is, guys, that you do the revision sheet on your own, and then you check the answers. Guys, don't look into the answer key and copy the answers. Why? Because you will not learn from that at all. Even if you make a mistake, it's only after you understand where you made the mistake and correct it. That's how you actually learn, and that's how you actually remember how to do these things. If you just copy from the answer key, you will not retain nothing in your brain, and you will not be able to use it in your exam. So please just do it and then check your answers after you've done everything, okay? All right, so that will be your first lesson. Second and third lesson depends on your individual timetables. You need to check your timetables. Those who have UAE Social Studies B today will do their ICT lesson instead of the UAE Social Studies B, because they will have an exam with me on Tuesday in the fourth period. So I will upload the ICT lesson. It's actually my Education City lesson. So you just go on Education City and complete your activities. Guys, I can see who's opened the activities. I can see your score. So please make sure you did it. Okay. All right. Then the fourth lesson will be science. In the science class, you will be again learning about food chains. It's another lesson on food chains. It's really nice. Science is always nice. Yeah, as usual. So that will be your fourth lesson. And in the fifth lesson, we have dear time. And since I'm trying not to keep you after school hours, I will do the meeting at 1 o'clock. So please be ready for the meeting at 1 o'clock. I already set it up on Teams. So just join at 1 o'clock. I will not be inviting anyone, okay, or waiting for anyone to join. I will start at 1 o'clock because you guys need to be a little bit responsible and just be there on time, just like other students. All right, so that's it for today's schedule. There is no uploading on Dojo. We are trying to take it easy these weeks that we are having exams, because I know it's stressful for you guys. So we are trying to make sure that you don't have to upload much work in the week, okay? All right, right, the riddle. So the riddle on Thursday was what has many eyes but can't see? And the answer I was looking for was a potato. So if you actually look at a potato, you will see like dots on the potato that look like tiny eyes, but obviously these eyes can't see. But I've had so many different answers, and I always tell you that I'm really happy, always happy to see different answers. So, and I also had 23 comments, which is brilliant. So Samiha, potatoes also, Amina, Ryan, Anahita said button. Button indeed also has eyes. Maximus, pineapple, okay. Hayden, potatoes, needle. Celine said dice. We were playing a game and we wondered what can we all see. What we call the dice dots. They are called eyes. Yes, yes, absolutely. Shaheen potatoes and pineapple, Needle, Zohaib Crocs. Okay, yeah. Divine Potato, Mohammed, hurricanes and tornado have an eye in the middle of the storm, but you cannot see through it. Okay, that's a very interesting answer. Safe potatoes. Yalmas, kidney eye bean. Yes, that's how they are called because they have like an eye, and that's why they call that way. Or potatoes. Anya, potatoes. Mariam, coconut has three eyes. Yes. Isita, potatoes. Ira, pineapple. Kusai, coconut. Actually, now I look at it, Kusai actually totally copied Mariam's answer. Please, guys, do not copy your friend's answer. That is cheating. All right. I think it's coconut or coconut. Okay, guys, so it seems like some of us actually see other people's answers and just copy it. Guys, that is so lazy. I am really not happy about that. Guys, you need to just think about it. It doesn't matter how wrong your answer is. This is not a test. I just want you to use your brain in the morning. That's it. Okay? Just this is for your own good. I just want to get you to think in the morning when you start your day. Okay? It's not about getting it right, it's about thinking. Okay? So, no more copying, no Googling, no asking parents for answers. Write your own answer. Okay? Your riddle for today is what month of the year has 28 days? Once again, what month of the year has 28 days? Please leave your comments under my post in the morning. And I always promise to tell you some interesting facts about science. And we've been doing planets, and today's planet is Neptune. Whoops. Not sure what happened. Neptune is the very blue planet, okay? And interesting fact, Neptune is a large planet, nearly 4 times the size of Earth. Neptune suffers the most violent weather in our solar system. Storms have been spotted swirling around its surface, and freezing winds that blow about 10 times faster than hurricanes on Earth make it the windiest planet. Okay, so it has many storms, okay, and very strong winds. Neptune is a large water planet with a blue hydrogen methane atmosphere and faint rings. And the last fact about Neptune is that it is covered in thin, wispy white clouds which stretch out around the planet. Okay? All right, so we need to remember Neptune as the very blue planet and the planet that has the most violent and strong winds and storms in the whole solar system. All right, that's it from me today. Good luck today with your work. I hope it goes well. And don't forget, I am seeing you at 1 o'clock today for our daily meeting. Looking forward. See you.